जज हैं? अगर मैं बोलूँगा एक्स में क्या गलतियाँ हैं, कोई मेरे से पूछेगा, मैं उसकी 50 गलतियाँ निकाल के रखूँगा, ये बिकॉज आई एम एक्सेलेंट जज फॉर अदर्स मिस्टेक, बट आई एम नॉट इक्वली गुड जज फॉर माई मिस्टेक्स. And if the mistake is being committed by me also, then I should learn how to laugh at yourself, laugh it out. कई बार सिंपल अगर confusion है या even बड़ी बड़ी problems, if you laugh it out. I remember many years ago there was a beauty contest. It was Miss World or Miss Universe, I don't know. There was a beauty contest, international beauty contest. तो उसमें एक जो participant थी, because they walk on ramp and all these kind of hype and hoopla. तो वो वॉक करते करते फेल डाउन. वन पार्टिसिपेंट, शी वॉज वॉकिंग ऑन द रैम्प एंड शी फेल डाउन. इट वॉज एन एम्बेरसिंग मोमेंट, वेरी एम्बेरसिंग मोमेंट, बट शी सिंपली लाफ्ड. एंड रिमेंबर व्हाट वाज द रिजल्ट? शी वाज अमंग, आई डोंट नो शी वाज, बट शी वाज अमंग टॉप 5. शी स्कोर्ड अमंग टॉप 5. Won or no, I have no knowledge of that, but she scored among top 5. 5 finalists she was. So if you are committing a mistake, if somebody else is committing a mistake, don't take it too seriously. Just laugh it out. Life is too short to be serious. Life is too short to be serious. So from today onwards, everybody, I think, will stop laughing on others, start laughing on yourself. Because two error is human, but one who rectifies the champion. सबसे गलतियां होती है ना, तो अगर हमसे भी गलतियां हो रही हैं तो भाई टेक इट सो सीरियसली, लाफ इट आउट. एडिसन ने भी बल्ब का आविष्कार करने से पहले 1000 गलतियां की थी. 1001 बार में उसको पता चला कि टंगस्टन से बल्ब बनता है. सो ही डिडंट टेक इट टू सीरियसली. एंड समबडी वाज इंटरव्यूइंग दैट पर्सन, ही सेड दैट आप 1000 बार फेल हो गए. बोला कि नहीं, मैं 1000 बार फेल नहीं हुआ, मुझे ये पता चल गया कि इन 1000 चीज़ों से बल्ब नहीं बन सकता, इस 1001वीं चीज़ से बल्ब बन सकता है. दिस इज द एटीट्यूड वन शुड हैव if we want to win people, because criticism is very easy but correction is very difficult. Not at the cost of other, not to defeat other. Okay, sometimes defeating is necessary, sometime in different context, but normally I can also win, he can also win. Like initially you guys did and I was thinking that nobody will burst balloon, but later on we provoked you. So they crossed the border and burst it. So we have to think, we have to be sensible that everybody can win. So when we are working in a team, when we are working in people, we should focus on other people also, that not at the cost of other, unjustification, unjustified winning, make people, take people away from you. Okay? This is walk your talk. What do you understand by this walk your talk? Any observation? Walk your talk.
What you talk, you have to go on that path.
Some people are so golibaj, can't trust them. Some people, even some people are saying one thing. If I am saying one thing, doing entirely another thing, do you think people will trust me? No. So whatever you are thinking, whatever you are saying, and whatever you are doing, there should be match. So walk your talk. If you are making a promise to somebody, you have to fulfill that. You remember पुराने जमाने में लोग रघुकुल रीत यही चली आई, प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए. This is what? This is values. These are philosophies of life. If you have make a commitment to any person, then you have to fulfill that commitment. Not up to that level which was in Ramayana, but we have to walk our talk. अगर जो हम कह रहे हैं और जो कर रहे हैं उसमें सिनर्जी है, उसमें कनेक्शन है, तो डेफिनेटली पीपल विल कम टू अस, दे विल ट्रस्ट अस एंड दे विल रिलाई ऑन अस ऑल्सो. सो ऑलवेज whatever you are saying, always try to do that. If you are saying, today I talked to Abhishek and told him that I will be in the hotel at 6:30. So I was at what time? 6:18 I called you.
Exact 6:30 was there.
Before 6:30 I was in the training hall. This is